I have a new toy. I got my order from Kaizer Willys. I got a new passenger seat pan for the reupholstery job for the CJ2A. I can say that they didn't wrap this thing up. Alright, so let's compare the older one, the original one, from 1946-ish to the one I just got from Kaizer. And there does appear to be some small differences. This curve on the top is much more swoopy than this one on the original one, so that's a little bit different. So it's got the back pan, it's got the front rail, and as I said in an earlier video, I am missing the one over here, but it has this one here, and this one, Kaizer, you should know this, it is undamaged in shipment, so it is dented and bent, but it's going to be fine. I'm not going to worry about it. Let's take a look at dimensions. So that's 20 3/4, 20 and a half, so it is slightly small, but I guess that's going to be fine. I think we're going to be okay. I think it's going to look good. Stay tuned for this video coming up sometime in the future.